This episode of Android Authority is brought to you by the LG G3. Hey, what is going on, guys? Lon here from Android Authority, and the knock code is one of LG's most popular feature, and we first saw this on the G Pro 2 and subsequently on other devices like the G2 and the G Flex through a software update. So today we're going to be taking a look at the knock code, what it does, and how you can set it up on your LG G3. So here is my LG G3, and if you don't know what knock code is, it essentially is a form of security for your lock screen, but instead of typing in a PIN number or drawing a pattern, the knock code is a series of taps on a 2x2 grid. And basically you just sort of imagine the grid on the screen and enter the pattern of taps or knocks that you've created. Unlike entering a PIN or drawing a pattern though, you don't have to wake up the display in order for it to work. You can actually enter your knock code even when your phone is completely asleep, so in that regard it's a little bit faster and saves you the additional step of having to wake up your phone first in order to do it. Another thing to take note of is the 2x2 grid isn't defined to any particular size, so you can imagine the grid to be as large as you want or as small as you want. All that really matters is that you get these series of taps in the right order, and if you entered the knock code correctly, your G3 should automatically unlock and get you right into the OS. Setting it up is really easy and takes maybe a minute or two. First, open up settings by pulling down the notification shade and tapping on the settings icon. Swipe over to the display tab and tap on lock screen and then select screen lock. From here, you just tap on the knock code, and this is where you will set up your knock code. You'll see that it requires a minimum of 3 taps with a maximum of 8, and you can make it as simple or as complex as you want. Obviously, the more taps and the more complicated you make your knock code, the more secure it is. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to make mine very simple, but once you've entered your code, just hit continue and it'll prompt you to put it in one more time. But once you've done that, just hit confirm. And just in case you ever forget your knock code, it's going to ask you to set up a PIN as a backup. So I'm just going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4 just to keep it simple and hit continue. Enter your PIN one more time, hit OK, and now your knock code should be set. So just make sure it works properly. Just go ahead and lock your phone and give it a try. And if you did it correctly, it should wake up and unlock your LG G3. But other than that, I think the knock code is a really awesome way to keep your phone secure, and it's extremely quick and convenient. But that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to the channel, which is also down below. And once you're done doing all that, make sure to check out the website at androidauthority.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and keep it locked on Android Authority, as we are your source for all things Android.